Ever wished you had a superpower at work or school? Well, these AI tools might just be your secret weapon. Let's jump in. Number 1. ChatGPT. It's your personal brainiac, always ready to help you write, brainstorm, or even code. Imagine having Einstein, Shakespeare, and Google all in your pocket. Next up, Canva AI. Design anything, social posts, slides, you name it, with zero graphic skills. It's like having a magic paintbrush, but less messy. Third, 11 Labs. Want to sound like a radio star? This tool makes jaw-droppingly real AI voices for videos, podcasts, or even audiobooks in seconds. No microphone, no problem. Fourth, Notion AI. Think of it as your digital brain. Take notes, plan your week, or summarize articles with a click. Less chaos, more control. And finally, Pictory. Turn plain text into eye-catching videos automatically. Perfect for faceless YouTubers and shy creatives alike. So, which tool are you trying first? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Level up your mind and your money with AI superpowers.